Today, I'm actually going to fly this airplane in this avatar. I got this avatar today, this Applejack avatar. I like Applejack. She's one of my favorite characters from the show. So we're going to fly this airplane. This is going to be fun. Here we go. Hope you guys like this. This first airplane flying today. Okay, here we go. Cabin door shut. Okay. Alright, here we go. You got your throttle here, you got your one throttle here, so yeah. I'm going to turn the plane around, so we're going to turn it all the way around. Yeah, I've flown many planes like this before, so it shouldn't be that hard. Now her tail is going to move, probably. Oh, I got a brake. Okay, got a little bit of a brake. Okay. Turn the airplane. Brake. Yeah, it could take off right there, but we're going to take off this way. All right, here we go. Brake on. Adjust flaps, 2.7 trim flaps. What the gun? We have the smoke. All right, smoke is on. Flaps adjusted, brake off. This is called a takeoff start. So here we go. All right, Applejack flying a fighter jet. Here we go. Here we go. Releasing the brake. Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. Hang on, I got it. Oh. There we go. Okay, that was the flaps. I totally forgot about that. So the flaps, if you don't adjust the flaps, the plane will get stuck in like a up dive. That's like the first time ever happened to me flying this. But yeah, we're gonna try to keep it steady. We're trying to stall it now. There we go. I got it. Yeah, the hair's gonna move with the winds. I don't know why it does that, but yeah. All right, here we go. Smoke is on, so we're making smoke. There's the smoke. Now we're going to do some tricks with Applejack, okay? So there's a spot down here I want to try. So let's try to get down there. We're heading G-forces down. There we go. I'm going to try to... I can't go under them. I'll hit them. I gotta watch my fuel because the fuel does get low. I'm gonna try to land this plane too. Oh, the gear's up. Gotta put the gear up. The gear's up. Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, now roll. Roll. We're gonna get a little crazy here. I'm gonna try to find a spot. So see that bridge? We're gonna fly under that bridge. Alright, here we go. Draw back engine. I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm going way too fast. Nope, nope, nope. fix this. Usually I can fly around these buildings pretty quickly, but like not avoiding them. Holy crap, that thing is going pretty fast. Yeah, we gotta make sure because the runway is right there, so we gotta get to it. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna pull back real hard. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna kill the engine. Pull back thrust, and now. Engine killed. Here we go, watch. Roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back. And throw up. Now I'm gonna hit the brake in mid-flight, so I'm gonna try to do something. Okay, we got the brake. So we're gonna have to land. So we're losing a little bit of fuel, so I'm gonna have to land this plane. We're gonna head towards the bigger plane. There's a bigger plane I want to fly, so we're gonna try to get to that plane. I'm gonna kill the engine, hit the brake, gear down. Okay, gears down. Now I haven't landed this plane before with the Applejack, so let's see if I can do it. It's kind of crazy because usually Rainbow Dash is the one that flies, but Applejack is Earth pony. Oh, here we go. Yeah, my stall warning's coming up. We got plenty of fuel, so we should be able to land. Hang on. Here we go. Come on, Applejack, land. Land it. Oh, close enough, close enough. Oh no. Then we landed it. We rolled it. Hey, close enough. That's funny. All right, sorry. Let's see if we can get around this thing. Oh, man, that was funny. Let me fix this plane. Okay. We gotta get in this plane now. This is my favorite plane. All right, here we go. Okay. Joystick here, we got that right here. Gear down, smoke on, up. So here we go. All right, Applejack flying a really big airplane. Here we go. Hope I don't hit that plane. Oh, we're clear. We're clear. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I got it. Ha! I got it. Here we go. I got it. I cleared it. Oh, here we go. Now we got to take off. Oh shoot. Yeah. Applejack, silly pony. Yeah, just like in that darn. Yeah, I have to like reset the other plane. This is like really hard. Shoot, I need to reset the other plane. The only bad thing about this game, it's really hard to like reset the airplanes where you want them. So like if I want to fly the big one again, we gotta go. We gotta run all the way back. So I'm gonna take off. We're gonna take off quick. I'm not gonna This is like, I never crashed that airplane before, like never. And I don't know why I crashed it. But that plane right there is really fast actually. But I want to fly the big one because the big one's pretty fun to fly. We're only going to fly a couple times, I'm going to land it. I don't know why Applejack is so slow at running. So I'm really sorry, guys. I can't pause it. Oh, here we go. Alright, let's do this quickly. Alright. Okay, here we go. Cabin shut. Smoke on. Okay, Applejack speed takeoff. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that, guys, because we hit that one plane and we couldn't take off, so pull back. I'm gonna keep the gear down because I'm gonna land this soon. But yeah, I want to show you something really cool. Here's the lasers. Watch this. Here's the lasers on this airplane, and then you got the bomber, the flap. You got the little. Do it again. And then my favorite is the gun. Got the light. And then you got the, I don't know what that is. Yeah. Alright, this thing does pretty good, so I'm going to try to fly around with this one. Bombs away in the apple. We're going to bombs away at the apple farm. Taking down the apple trees. And then you got hey, Granny Smith, I'm gonna take down the apple trees with this thing. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I'm gonna try to land this thing and see if I can land it. Hang on. Barrel roll. Woo-hoo-hoo. You expect this big old plane to do a barrel roll. Oh crap. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Look at those engines on there. They're big. I'm definitely going to do another turn. There's my smoke. Oh, we're going to fly real low. So here we go. I'm going to throttle back the engine a little bit. Cut the brake. Yeah, this plane is very hard to land. Like, this is a really hard one to land. All right, we're going to do a bomber. We're going to launch the thing. There we go. Oh, crap. Oh, no. There we go. That was a low pass. Got the laser on. You only have many missiles you get on this plane. So hopefully we get some. Alright, I'm gonna try to land this thing. I don't know how much time we got on this. Most likely I can't land this, but I'm gonna try. Alright, I need the brake. Okay. See that hole right there? We're gonna try to fly right through that real quick. Applejack is gonna fly right through that. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's good. We're good. Okay, we got it. We got it. There we go. Come on, Applejack. You got this. You got this, Applejack. Come on, Applejack. Ah, we didn't get it. I thought we were going to get the second one, but we didn't get it. Alright. So, yeah. That's Applejack flying an airplane. He was trying to land the plane. We were actually running out of fuel, so, honestly. So, it's gone. But, yeah. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, check this out. I'll show you this avatar. But, yep. See y'all later. It's Applejack here. I'm gonna sing a song. I just flew an airplane. Ching ching. See you guys.